Hi friends, it's Nancy, and today we're doing Frame Your Collage, and we are on, let me open my page again, make sure. We are on week 26. Oh yeah, the last week of June, of course, butterflies. And then we are officially halfway through the collage. We're halfway through the year already, so okay. Let's work on this. So I'm trying to get a few done ahead of time because we'll be on vacation right after 4th of July. But I am determined to try to at least have these videos up, starting for the next couple weeks. And we're gonna start the glue book for summer. Beachy summer, whatever theme you want to do regarding summer. Maybe you have a lake house, you go to the lake for summer, maybe you go to the beach for summer, maybe you stay in your backyard for summer, and just all the things summer, what it means to you. We want to do that. And yeah, I am patiently, I want to start the spooky stuff, but let's just get a few things done here. I'm trying really hard, and I thank you for hanging with me. So anyway, butterflies. Okay, so what I have is a green frame. I have this page here, which I love. It's so pretty. That was out of a English Garden magazine. I don't even know where I got that from. Anyway, okay, then I have this cute cutout of a flower, a calla lily, I can see that, red. And then I have some little butterfly images that I got out of a magazine. And then I cut this with my punch. It says, "Butterflies rest when it rains because it damages their wings. It's okay to rest during the storms of life. You will fly again when it's over." And I just love that. So it's going to be kind of simple, but you know what? I think it's still going to be super pretty. Okay, so for this, boy, I can put this anywhere I want, right? But I think I'm just going to kind of pick a section here. And I want to do, see, I could just move this anywhere. But no, I think I want to do it over here, because I'm not going to really see what's going on there. So like that. I love these purple flowers, but we won't see them. Okay, so then I'm going to just kind of take a pencil and kind of just freeform this and cut this out. This is going to be easy because the whole background is a picture already. And I like when that happens. Okay, I can't. All right, so let's just get that cut out, and I don't even have to be super careful, but I want to see my lines here. So just gonna rough cut this out because I've got enough frame there to cover the rough edges. So I'm good with that. Just looking for my light pencil mark here that I can barely see. Boy, I mean, butterfly, that prompt, boy, I mean, yeah. Who doesn't love butterflies, right? I like this piece here, which I know I cut crooked, but I'm going to save this piece here because I can cut it into a straight thing and use it. This piece here, I don't need that one. So I'm going to save that one. And then yeah, I'm cutting off my purple flowers here. But that's okay because we're not going to see them anyway. I mean, I'm really rough cutting this, right? I might have to cut a little more if I'm not going to save that either. So let's just see how this looks. Yeah, probably, yeah, definitely more, cut off more. Okay, no problem. So a little more on the bottom. I guess it'd be faster with my cutter, but I'll just do this. It should work. there. And I think I had a smidge more here. So see, you don't even have to be super, super exact. I think that should work. We'll make sure. Yep, it does. Okay. I'll just do that. So anyway, yeah, I have a little free time. So I really wanted to at least get these going. Let me just cut some of this corner off here. It seems like it's in the way. So I just wanted to show you how I would take a whole sheet and kind of move that frame around. There we go. Isn't that just pretty like that? I love that. Okay, let's glue that down. So yeah, I just wanted to, I'll mark it there. Okay, that should be good. I want to get some of these done. I don't want to not do them, right? And we want to keep up with them, right? And I know some of you are having a hard time keeping up, but there's no rush, no rush. Okay, you do, I got to put this down here. You have to do, you know, when you have time to find the images and stuff and what speaks to you, because like I said, sometimes I see the prompt and then I say, oh yeah, I know what that is. But then by the time I start looking for images, it takes me down another road. So, and I love that. I love that because sometimes the first idea you have is the perfect idea, but sometimes you know, if you think more about it or look around in a magazine and you find an image, it takes you like a different way. So I don't think there is a right way or wrong way of doing collage. Not at all. Okay, so let's get this on here, and I hope I don't have my head in here. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to get my card here. Try to keep those air bubbles out if I could. If I can. Okay, and let me see, what am I going to do? I think I can put my frame here, but I want to put this flower like in here, but I want to have some of it coming out, not too much, but like that. Okay, so maybe I should put some glue here to hold it on the frame. No, I mean on the back here, like that. It's always a puzzle, isn't it? Always a puzzle. Okay, so, okay, it's right there, like that. Like that. I'm going to move it over a little more. Just, I think that's, I keep moving it, I'm going to rip it. Okay, let's just leave it like that. Okay, so I might, what else do I want to do now? I think that's good. And then my butterflies, let's see, how was I going to do this? I want to have a couple butterflies like flying off the frame too. So I think I can glue this down now, the frame. All right, so I can take this off, and I'm going to use my fabric tack here. I kept my glue up here. It's getting humid it's humid this week, and we have high 90s with heat indexes of 100 and whatever. I mean, really, I was wearing sweats, like a sweatshirt, a light sweatshirt last week, cozying up with my blanket, and then today, well, this week, you know, we're getting ready for the humidity. Well, it is humid. I knew it was coming sooner or later, right? You just have to have it. And then that's prepping us for our vacation because we're going to North Carolina, so it's going to be nice and humid there. So, but we'll be on the beach. So, all right, I'm going to carefully lift this up before I set it down here and get it on the frame. Oh, yeah, nice. Okay, that worked out well. Oh, now I can glue that flower down. That's going to be a trick. Oh, I didn't get, look at, how many times have I done this where that's okay. I'm going to pull that frame a little if I can. That's the beauty of the fabric tack. There, it's fine. I'm going to be just fine with that. Okay, so we have that. And, all right, now I want to glue the rest of the flower down. This is the tricky part here, right? So I'm going to carefully go over here. There's no, I'm winging this. I am totally winging this. Let's get some over here. I think it's probably just better to do this. Just do this. Try not to go over your image too much. All right, so there's that. And I'll go up here and I'll just try to do this. I got to do it how I think it's going to work for me. It's probably the weirdest way to do this, right? It probably is. I'm going to get my card here so I don't get that messed up there. But anyway, it is going to be summer, so it's time for that heat and humidity and the air conditioning to run and run and run. I want to put some glue under there because I pulled it up and I'm not happy with how it looks. So I'm going to hold that down there for a second. Okay, now I have my butterflies and that cute saying. So I want to, this little saying, I think I was going to put it here, and I'm not sure if I want to do it there or over here more. I don't know, because if I put it there, I want to put a little butterfly on it. This one maybe. I think if I put it here, I could, and then I just wanted to put a little butterfly like that, but I feel like it's a lot. So then I was thinking of putting it over here, like here, and then putting the butterfly. And it's kind of like that. So let me lay it out and see. I think I want like this one going that way. And then I'm gonna do, this one's facing this way, so I could put that one like here. Okay, and then these two I want like flying off, like off the frame, like they're flying out of the picture. Real simple, like that, just a little bit. I think it's so cute. I like it over here, I think. I'm gonna do that. So let me get my paper here and let's get some gluing done. I just wanna make sure, and oops. Don't you hate when that happens? It's fine. It's a pretty easy one. I punched it out. It was thin paper I printed on, so it's kind of ragged on the edge, but I think it kind of adds to it. I think it does. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. Now these little butterflies are going to be carefully cut them out. But they're so tiny. Let me get my tweezers here. That'd probably be better. And this little guy is going to go here. I like that little saying. That's a cute saying. Okay, and then this one. Okay, let's get that one on. I think I'm going to put that one here. Okay, and then that one, that's a bigger one. Yeah, this was kind of nice. I wasn't sure because, you know, you could, like I said, go do so many things with this, but I don't know, just kind of came to me and I said, yep, I like it this way. I want to do that one like coming in. Okay, now this one was coming off the frame, and then that one as well. Let's get this one on. Kind of simple, but it is a pretty, I like the colored frames. I really like those color frames from that shop, Itgopelia Imaginarium. Okay, I'm gonna put that one like there, like it's flying away, and that one too. And gee, that was easy. This was an easy one. Okay, let me get that off. Yeah, when they're tiny pieces like this, let's see, I'll put that one like here, like that. Well, that was fun. That was easy, and I love how that looks. Butterflies rest when it rains because it damages their wings. It's okay to rest during storms of life. You will fly again when it's over. I love that saying. So that's my take for the collage on butterflies. So very pretty. I like the colors. And then, so we're done. That'll be the last one that we're doing for June. Now we're starting July. So next week will be turquoise. So that'll be nice. That'll be a fun one too. All right, friends, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.